Creating a sales campaign on Google Ads involves setting up targeted ads to reach potential customers and drive sales. Here's a concise guide. Set up a Google Ads account. If you don't have one, sign up for Google Ads and set up your billing information. Create a new campaign. Click on the New Campaign button. Select your campaign objective, such as sales. Choose campaign type. Select the type of campaign, such as search, display, shopping, or video, based on your sales strategy. Set your campaign goals. Define specific goals like website visits, phone calls, or app downloads. Define your audience. Use targeting options to specify demographics, locations, languages, and audience segments. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Decide on a daily or monthly budget. Choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your goals, such as maximize conversions or target CPA. Create ad groups. Organize your campaign into ad groups, each focusing on a set of related keywords. Write compelling ads. Create multiple ad variations with strong headlines, descriptions, and a clear call to action. Ensure the ads align with the keywords and your landing page content. Add keywords. Use the keyword planner to find relevant keywords and add them to your ad groups. Set up ad extensions. Enhance your ads with additional information like site links, call buttons, and location details. Review and launch. Double check all settings, preview your ads, and make necessary adjustments. Click Save and Continue to launch your campaign. Monitor and optimize. Use Google Ads Analytics tools to track performance. Adjust bids, keywords, and ad copy to improve results.